I'm using sheet cam to set up these files. You can see I'm cutting some 1/4-inch steel plate here. I'm building a sign for a friend, and the torch height controller seems to be working pretty well. There's a little tweaking going on with it. The file, I'm using my Masso controller. I've got it set up here with a file. I've broken the files for the whole sign down into several small sections so that I can stop it and let things cool off as I move along. This next cut I'm going to make is just on the very bottom of that polygon you see up there on the screen. The rest of it's just going to run out of trace around the outside. So let's see how it works here. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to turn my Hypertherm Plasma on, and once it boots up and it's ready to run there, I'm going to grab my screen here, my mouse. I'm going to rewind and start. It's going to zero out, and hopefully it's going to line up and start the axis here where I left off. Okay, I just allowed it to finish up that last cycle. It's coming back to the home position now. I'm using a series of path rules in sheet cam to help start and stop some of these functions. With a capacitive height controller, if the sensor ring is close to the edge of the metal, it doesn't sense the height properly, and it'll want to dive thinking it needs to go down. So I have to turn off the height controller when I'm near an edge or near a previously cut area to keep it from diving into the surface. I've also got it set so in order to cut some of these outside sections, I'm kind of tricking it using the path codes to pick up where I had to break the file into 2 halves. You can see here a little mistake. I had the lead-in set here, and I forgot to turn off the lead-in, so I got a little divot there, but when you're looking at this sign from 100 feet away, it's not going to matter. Anyway, so far I'm pretty happy with it, and we'll see how the rest of the project goes.